Evaluate f of a equals a cubed plus 3a squared plus 2a plus 8 at a equals -3. Let's be all proper. F of -3 is going to equal, now let's replace every a with parentheses -3, parentheses -3. So -3 cubed plus 3, that was a close one, it's like an emo 3, -3 squared. 2 times negative, because of the hair, because of the emo looking hair. Maybe I can just see it, maybe you can't, maybe nobody watches these. But anyway, this is me replacing every a with parentheses -3. PEMDAS says we're going to do -3 times -3 times -3, which is -27. No parentheses needed, but I did it anyway. -3 squared is 9, plus 2 times -3 plus 8. The multiply divide part of PEMDAS says that the next thing that I want to do is multiply these guys. So 27, multiply these guys, -6 plus 8. God is good. These guys cancel out. And you are left with f of -3 equals 2.